In the bustling heart of the city, there lived a man named Crocy, whose life revolved around the intoxicating world of Forex trading. From the moment he discovered its allure, he was consumed by the thrill of predicting market movements and executing trades with the precision of a seasoned trader. Days turned into nights as Crocy immersed himself in charts, analyzing trends, and strategizing his next move. His obsession with Forex trading knew no bounds, and soon, it began to consume him entirely. But as time went on, Crocy's obsession morphed into something darker. The lines between reality and the Forex market began to blur, and he found himself lost in a maze of numbers and calculations. Then came the voices. At first, they were mere whispers, barely audible above the din of the city. But as Crocy's obsession deepened, the voices grew louder, more insistent. Everywhere he went, he heard them echoing in his mind like a relentless drumbeat. "New signals," they chanted, their words haunting him day and night. "New signals." At first, Crocy tried to ignore them, to drown them out with the noise of the city, but the voices persisted, growing louder and more maddening with each passing day. Desperate for reprieve, Crocy threw himself even deeper into his trading, hoping to find solace in the familiar rhythm of the markets. But the voices followed him everywhere, their relentless chanting driving him to the brink of insanity. Alone and consumed by madness, Crocy's grip on reality began to slip. He became paranoid, convinced that the voices held some hidden truth, some secret message that only he could decipher. One fateful night, as he sat hunched over his computer screen, surrounded by stacks of charts and graphs, Crocy reached his breaking point. With a wild look in his eyes, he began to frantically execute trade after trade, heedless of the consequences. In that moment of frenzied madness, Crocy found himself at peace. The voices no longer tormented him, for he had embraced them as a part of himself. Amidst the chaos of his trading desk, he found clarity, his mind forever intertwined with the voices that whispered new signals in his head. As dawn broke over the city, Crocy sat amidst the wreckage of his trading desk, a faint smile playing at the corners of his lips. Though the world may see him as mad, he had found his solace in the chaos of the markets, his mind forever attuned to the voices that had driven him to the edge of insanity.